Just a quick video on how to replace the front fan on a Dell Optiplex 7010 small form factor PC. You'll know you have the small form factor if you have the small laptop style optical drive along with 4 USB ports. The ultra small form factor has a smaller front along with, it does have the laptop optical drive but only 2 USB ports. Also the small form factor has this release latch here. You lift up on the latch, lift up on the cover, then pull it towards you. And from there, ideally you remove the front so you can get to the mounts for the fan easily. So you'll lift up on the tab, pull it forward, the front rotates off. Also, you're going to want to disconnect your drives and remove the drive cage by pushing that latch away from the front so it's in the unlocked position. Lift up, then rotate it at an angle, lift it straight up, pull it away. From there, your cable for your fan is probably routed through this retention mechanism, so you're going to have to lift those up out of the way. It is easier if you release the fan first. You push on the locking clip, lift up, and then remove that from the retention mechanism. From there, you'll see these little rubber mounts here. Now ideally, they are still soft, and you just kind of push them inwards like so. See how it rotates? That's how you get it to clear the small hole and you can get the fan out. I do have these fans for sale on my eBay store if you need one. In my particular case, this is running the 725Y7 Dell fan. Now to reinstall it, you want the wire coming out towards the bottom of the fan as it was originally. And you're going to kind of put it in there in that general space. And this is the fun part, is trying to get those in. Now you can mount these shock mounts and then pull them through, but that's actually even more difficult, so I wouldn't recommend that. I would leave them attached to the fan. And what you can do is you kind of finagle the fan. I'm going to get the bottom ones started first. If you have something nice and pokey, you can kind of use that to help get the little nub through the big hole. You don't want to stab it. What you're doing is you're helping align it and move it through. So I'm going to get that one in position. Once you get it through far enough, you can just push it into the slot. Sometimes you have to stretch them. If the mounts are still good, they will be a little bit flexible, so that's okay. There we go, got those in place. From there, you want to plug that fan back in. So I'm going to just route it through that cable slot and then push it straight down in there like so. Then I'm going to put my 4-pin connectors cable back in that retention slot as well. Drive cage, angle it in, flip it down. Be mindful to not crush any cables. Slide it towards the front to lock it in place. Plug all your cables for your drives back in. Reattach the front. These little clips slide in their corresponding holes in the front. You rotate this in until these 3 locking clips lock into place. And from there, it should be a simple matter of just slotting it in like so, pushing it down, lock it in place, and you're done.